Now that we have our pictures taken care of, what we're going to need to do is open up PowerPoint to be able to work on our video. Okay, so in the past you probably have logged into Office 365 like this and then gone to PowerPoint within your web browser. Alright, but in this case we're not saving this in the end as a PowerPoint, we're actually turning this into a video. Okay, so this is something that has to be done in the desktop version. Alright, the online version of PowerPoint would not let us save it as a video. Alright, so what we need to do is in the bottom left corner of your screen you're going to hit the Windows button. Alright, in my case I took time to make my Microsoft stuff show up right away here. So eventually what we're looking for is a PowerPoint 2016. Alright, mine shows up right there. What you might have to do is you can either scroll from your list until you find PowerPoint. Alright, it's sorted alphabetically. Alright, so I gotta keep scrolling until I find PowerPoint. Or if you just start typing in the word power, alright, you should just see PowerPoint 2016 desktop app pops up. Alright, so however you need to do it, go ahead and find PowerPoint 2016. Alright, it might take a couple seconds for it to load up. Alright, but this will open it up and it should be its own different view here in your taskbar. Alright, you can pick any of these formats that you want. Just keep in mind that your pictures are probably going to take up most of the screen, so I wouldn't take a lot of time deciding on which one you want, just because it's not going to be necessarily the most prevalent thing on your page. Alright, for this example I'm just going to do a blank presentation. Okay, and I'm just going to remove this stuff. Keep in mind for your videos you're going to want to put your title and all of your information on here as well, but I'm just going to use this as a canvas just to show you what it looks like when you insert your pictures. Alright, to insert a picture into your PowerPoint, if you just click insert on that top bar, then go to pictures. Alright, all we have to do now is we just need to find the pictures that you saved. Alright, so here's one that I downloaded. Alright, so here's my guy. Alright, notice that it looks pretty good, alright, as far as having a background or not. Alright, what I should actually tell you to do is, and this will work out as a good example. So right now I inserted the picture of my guy, but let's say that I want to put my background in here before I have my picture of my person. Alright, what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to go to insert, I'm going to do a picture. I'm going to insert a picture of this when he still has the background, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to insert this picture. Alright, so see how this picture's in front of my guy, but I want my person to be in front of this background picture. Alright, what you can do is if you right click on your background picture, alright, there's an option to send it to the back. Alright, so if I send it to the back, now I basically have my guy and this guy. Alright, so it's kind of cool. Alright, now I have this guy standing in front of this picture. Anything that I do with my cutout of this person, I can put right in front of where I want to. Alright, so basically what you'll want to do is you'll want to think about how you're posing in your pictures, and you're going to want to set it up so that way if you're pointing to anything or if you're standing next to something or anything like that, that you're getting your front picture align up with whatever you have in your back, so that way it looks like you're basically on Mars. Alright, so that's basically how you're going to insert your pictures to it, and your next video is going to tell you how to add the audio.